Imagine this. Instead of writing hundreds of lines of code, you just describe your idea in plain English, and boom, an app appears on your screen. Not a prototype, not a concept, an actual working app. That's exactly what this new platform called CreateAnything claims to do. It's an AI-powered builder that literally turns your words into real, functional products. Whether it's a website, a mobile app, a dashboard, or even a complete AI-powered tool. Sounds wild, right? I spent some time testing it out, and in this video, I'll walk you through the entire experience, from signing up to building something live. So stay till the end, because this one might change how you think about creating digital products. CreateAnything doesn't just give you a static mockup. It actually generates real code behind the scenes. You can export it, edit it, or even host it directly. It supports both mobile and web outputs, which means you could use the same tool to build an app or a website, or even both. And if you want to get a bit technical, it gives you control over frameworks, integrations, and APIs. But only if you want to. Otherwise, it handles everything automatically. The most fascinating part? It supports over 40 integrations, including AI tools, analytics platforms, databases, and even GPT-5 itself. No keys, no configurations, no painful API linking. It's like AI Lego blocks. You describe what you want, and it snaps the pieces together for you. If you're a creator or entrepreneur, this tool is gold for prototyping. You can test ideas instantly, without hiring developers or waiting weeks for an MVP. If you're a developer, it can help you skip the boring setup parts and jump straight to refining and customizing. And for students or beginners, it's a great way to learn structure. You can see how the AI builds projects and then tweak them to understand how everything fits together. In short, it gets you 80% of the way there, which is incredible for idea testing or launching MVPs, but you'll probably need to step in for the final 20% polish. And honestly, that's not a bad trade-off. You're going from idea to working app in minutes instead of weeks. Another cool aspect I found while exploring is how collaborative this could become. You can share your generated projects with your team, export code to GitHub, or invite others to edit the app's structure directly on the platform. So it's not just a solo tool, it's potentially a team playground for rapid innovation. CreateAnything gives you one-click deployment options. So if you just want to test something live, you can publish it instantly and share the link. That's perfect for creators, agencies, or even students showing off their work. All right, let's start with the basics, the sign-up process. When you head over to CreateAnything.com, you're greeted by a super minimal, clean landing page. To get started, you can sign up directly with your Google account. No complicated setup, no credit card form right away. Once you're in, you land straight on the dashboard. It's simple, almost quiet, like it's waiting for you to make the first move. And right in the center of the screen, there's this big text box, kind of like ChatGPT. But here's the twist. Instead of asking it questions, you tell it what kind of app or site you want to build. It doesn't bombard you with marketing buzzwords or long tutorials. I'll type something like, create a real-time analytics dashboard that displays user activity data, graphs, and charts with a sidebar for navigation. And that's it. No fancy syntax, no dragging blocks or coding logic, just one line. As soon as I hit enter, CreateAnything gets to work. And this is where the magic starts. You can literally see it building your project piece by piece. It generates the layout, sets up the structure, and starts adding components. Buttons, navigation, data sections, everything. It's like watching a developer code at 10 times speed, except you're not touching a single line of code yourself. Within seconds, the dashboard preview loads. You've got a sidebar with sections like Overview, Users, Metrics, and the main panel already showing chart placeholders. It's clean, modern, and what's cool is that everything is actually interactive. You can click around, expand widgets, and it feels like something that could easily be part of a real SaaS platform. Tools like CreateAnything are part of this new wave of natural language programming, where code becomes something you describe, not something you write. And that's huge, because it lowers the barrier for people who have great ideas but aren't technical. It lets creativity drive technology, not the other way around. At the same time, it doesn't replace developers. It amplifies them. Developers can use tools like this to generate boilerplate, test ideas, or even build client demos faster than ever before. So instead of being threatened by it, this could actually make your workflow way more efficient, so you can check it out for yourself. Alright, wrapping this up. In my experience, CreateAnything feels like a glimpse into how we'll all build in the near future. It takes away the complexity of coding without dumbing anything down. You still have full creative control, but you're letting AI handle the technical heavy lifting. So, what do you think? Would you actually trust an AI to build your app from scratch? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be reading them and maybe testing your best ideas in a future video. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive into the world of AI tools that are changing how we work, create, and build. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.